Hello, it's Ellie here. I have to make a video tonight instead of going live to show you stash item number 2. My husband's supposed to come home early, so I figured I'd just go ahead and knock it out instead of getting interrupted later or whatever. But item number 2 is not on the stash list. I will add it here tonight. But it is a thermal tote. When we put the crossbody strap on it, this strap, of course, can adjust, and you can wear it like a purse. But it's a thermal tote. It has the thermal lining, big thermal lining on the inside, and has the pocket here. I don't know what's in that. Oh, I used to use it as my Bible bag. That was one of my cute little things from church. And it's got that pocket where you could put napkins and stuff like that. But this is going to be one of the items that you can get for free when you book a party and your party reaches $300 plus between now and February of next year. So that's the item. That's item number 2. I'm going to add it to the stash album tonight.